Hi, this is Adrian. Welcome to my channel Money Mali Home. Today, I'm going to share with you one of the unit trust investment idea. If you are planning to start up your long-term investment plan, then this idea is important to you. Invest regularly. There are many ways to invest in unit trust funds. One of the common ways is to invest regularly. The reason to invest regularly is to accumulate your wealth in long term and minimize your investment risk. Remember that invest regularly is only applicable in unit trust funds. Not all investment vehicles are suited in this method. Let's come to an example. Assuming that you plan to buy candies for 1 ringgit in every month. So, you got 5 candies in the first month. You plan to continue buying the candies for the next 12 months with the fixed amount of 1 ringgit. You know that the candy price will keep on changing every month. No matter what is the candy price for the particular month, you will keep buying with your 1 ringgit. Here comes to the scenario. After 12 months, you manage to accumulate 63 candies by spend out 12 ringgit. Now, if you divide your 12 ringgit to 63 candies, then your cost for 1 candy is only 19 cents. From this simple example, candy price is actually unit price in unit trust funds. The 1 ringgit you spend to buy candies is actually the fixed amount you are going to invest for every month. The candies you have collected are actually the units that you accumulate in the past 12 months. Remember that unit trust price is always fluctuating, but your units always increase. That is why your unit trust consultants keep asking you to focus the total units you have and not the price that you're investing in. Remember that unit trust investment is for long term. You need to invest for 5 or 10 years or more. A good fund will always give you distributions, or in layman called dividends, in every year. Always sit down with your unit trust consultants and discuss about your needs and the investment goal. Understand the risks and returns. Ask your unit trust consultants to provide you more information about the funds before making any investment decisions. Last but not least, this video is for sharing purpose only. Again, the idea of invest regularly is not applicable to other investment vehicles. I hope this simple idea will help you more understanding on unit trust investment. If you feel this video is good for you, please subscribe my channel for a small encouragement to me. Thank you.